Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to welcome you at the launch of the Group of Friends on defeating neglected tropical diseases. Brazil, India, Indonesia and Senegal have joined hands in this important initiative as the co-chairs of the Group of Friends. The World Health Organization at the United Nations will serve as the secretariat for the group. Neglected tropical diseases, or NTDs, are a diverse group of 20 conditions, predominantly in tropical and subtropical areas. NTDs are diseases mostly affecting impoverished communities, imposing a devastating human, social and economic burden. Friends, leadership and partnership are crucial to tackle NTDs, as their effective control, elimination and eradication can only be achieved through multi-sectoral approaches. The co-chairs have established the Group of Friends on defeating neglected tropical diseases to bring together member states, UN entities, international and regional organizations, civil society, private sector and all other relevant stakeholders wishing to contribute to this goal.
I welcome the launch of this Group of Friends on defeating neglected tropical diseases, and I thank Brazil, India, Indonesia and Senegal for your leadership. The goals of the 2030 roadmap include target disease elimination and eradication, significantly increasing prevention, reducing the need for treatment and universal access to basic water, sanitation and hygiene in endemic areas. Thank you for your commitment and support for realizing these goals and relieving the suffering caused by NTDs.
These diseases weaken, disable and disfigure the victim who already live in precarious conditions of hygiene, sanitation and education while keeping them in a perpetual cycle of poverty. The creation of this new group of friends and to express Senegalese readiness to work towards in success.
As the co-chair of this group, Indonesia looks forward to working with all interested members to raise awareness and promote action on NTDs. We firmly believe that cooperation is the key to alleviate the health impairments caused by many tropical diseases. We firmly believe that cooperation is the key to alleviate the health impairments caused by many tropical diseases. Based on the new roadmap for NTDs, we aim to free more than 1 billion people who currently require interventions against NTDs by 2030.
In Brazil, one of the most known diseases from the WHO list is Chagas disease. A Brazilian, Carlos Chagas, was the first to identify the disease in the beginning of the 20th century, when it mostly affected Latin American countries. Today, Chagas disease, that carries his name, remains an important public health concern and is an emerging disease in non-endemic countries. Brazil is just one among many other countries that can benefit a lot from the work and advocacy of this group of friends.
We look forward to working with this new group of friends and all member states to mobilize governments and other stakeholders, build political will, and translate rhetorical momentum into action. This is just what is needed to defeat NTDs and improve the lives of the poorest of the poor.